Well, hello there. Morning, Dan.
Hello.
How are you?
We've been with each other now for over an hour.
Yeah, but it's for the vlog.
I'm okay. How are you, Georgie?
I am living my best life. So we are currently driving down the I-4 West, going to
Busch Gardens.
Yes, so we're so excited about Busch Gardens. We haven't been in, well,
A year.
But it's such a good park. The animal bits are amazing, the rides are amazing. So we're just on this drive. We've got about 37 minutes left, to be precise, and we'll be in the park. So let's go. So we've made it into Busch Gardens. We've kind of ran to come to the Serengeti area because we've got the safari in about 40 minutes time. What we're going to do now is we're in this area, is we're going to head over to like Falcons Fury and go on a couple of rides there. It's a very quiet today, and at the moment no one is on our Serengeti tour. So we're going to go do a couple of rides and then come back for 11:30. These love bugs are everywhere, by the way. Oh, Dan, we're walking into the mist.
No, I'm panicking now.
Ooh, that's thick, isn't it? Here we go. Oh, look at him holding the camera in its little bag. That's quite refreshing though.
Oh, my glasses. They're all wet now. Oh.
Is that an impression of me?
That was an impression of you.
I don't like you anymore. Came off Scorpion. I did film it on the GoPro, but I sat in the back row because the front row was busy. So I don't know what you saw. I don't know what, Dan, did you manage to film me on that?
Yeah, a little bit.
Oh, cool. So we're now heading back to the giraffe thingy, the Serengeti Safari, because we've got that in about 10 minutes time. So when you get to the Outpost Safari area, check in 15 minutes before your tour. So our tour is 11:45, so you check in at 11:30. I'll show you Dan as well.
Did you say how much it was?
No, I don't know how much it was.
It's $39.99 plus tax.
Oh, not too bad then. At the moment, it's only us sitting in here, so we don't know how many people are going to be on this tour. Could just be us two. That'd be nice.
I will say about cost as well. Book it direct with Busch Gardens because it's actually more expensive to book it through some of the third-party websites. I won't say which ones, but yeah, watch that because they do charge a lot more than booking it direct with Busch Gardens.
And sometimes Busch Gardens have deals on like 20% off, or
it's $10 cheaper than we booked it, and we booked it through a third party. So
yeah, so watch out.
bit bigger. They're going to have a black glossy coat, and their horns are going to be a little bit longer. So the females can get about 3.5 feet long. These ladies are super cool. They actually use their stripes as an optical illusion to make themselves look bigger. So you can see those wide horizontal stripes across their rear end, which makes it look like that's the biggest part of their body, which is actually their stomach. You guys can walk around if you need to. Safety things to go over for the interaction. Once we pull up to the giraffe and stop the truck, that lets them know that they're welcome to come over. We use positive reinforcement for all of our animals here at the park. So if they don't want to come over, they don't have to. But 99.9% of the time they come. They really don't come over and to come super close. Like if he puts his chest up against the truck, then maybe we'll touch. Hi, handsome. Bernie just turned 13 a few weeks ago. Wing molars in the back, so they don't have top frets. He's our only male out here.
I want to feed her. She looks so sad. I want to feed her.
Lisa, you want to come say hi? Probably not. She just wanted the shade.
Oh,
You notice a lot of the trees have fencing around them. That's to protect the tree because they like to pull the bark off of it and eat it. We think it gives them maybe some more fiber in their diet. But if they pulled the bark off of those trees, they would die. Might as well.
Oh.
So you guys just want to hold on tight. We're going to get going. Thank you for coming out, Bernie. We're good, Ashley. My sweet boy, I love you. They have a couple different
So we've just come off of our safari. Did you enjoy that?
Yeah, I did.
It was amazing. There was only 6 of us. Capacity is 18 plus your tour guide and photographer. So having just 6 of us made it so much more personable, didn't it?
Yeah, tour guide was Casey. She was really good.
Very nice and friendly.
Yeah, you asked loads of questions.
Oh, I had
She
so
was
many
really
questions. One question I didn't ask though is how fast can giraffe run? So if you know, put it in the comments down below because I can't remember. Well, I need to Google it and I'll forget.